and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Unapologetic Beauty. Today we're going to be doing my everyday summer makeup routine. This is long lasting makeup. It lasts me all day. It's sweat proof. It's really easy. It's really lightweight. It's not too heavy. But it's a really pretty summer beat that I do. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just stay tuned. Alright ladies, so I've already moisturized my face with Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I did my eyes with ABH Brow Wiz. I am in the color dark brown, and I cleaned my brows up with my NYX HD Concealer in the shade 06.7. Now, I'm going in on my face with my two primers, Benefit Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector, that's a mouthful, and not Benefit, Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer Perfector, and Benefit Porefessional. I go in Benefit Porefessional first, and I take that all over my T-zone, and then I go in with Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer, just because the Benefit one is so greasy for my face. Then I'm going in on my dark spots with Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. I'm in the shade 18, and I take that, like I said, all over my dark spots. I don't blend it in. I kind of just tap it in so it won't go all over your face. I learned this trick from Aaliyah's Face on YouTube. Love her. But I just put it on those areas, and then on top of it, I take my setting powder, and today, as you'll see in just a few, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder in Banana. So I'm just going to take, I think, my Real Technique brush and go just tap that all over those spots to set that, so to stay, and when I put my foundation on, it won't move. I'll actually get a full coverage from the concealer. Alright, so now we're going in with the foundation. I didn't show you the foundation, but today we're using Revlon Colorstay Combination Oily Foundation in the shade, and I'm in shade 400 Caramel. It is a 24-hour foundation, which it claims to be. I don't know about all that stuff. I don't know about all that. But it does last all day. And I'm using the Rose Gold brush collection from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the number 3 brush out of that to blend it out. If you're like a full coverage girl and you want everything to be covered up, like you have scarring like I do, or you just like a full coverage face, a brush will always be your best friend when it comes to blend out foundation. Sponges absorb, and they kind of keep the foundation from being really thick. They kind of shear it out, which is great if you like a super thin layer of foundation on your face. However, if you like your fake foundation a little, thicker, so you can cover all your marks, or you just prefer it that way, then get you a good brush, a flat top brush, and you'll be in the game. Like, you good. Okay. Yeah. So next we're gonna go in and we're gonna highlight sis, and we're gonna go in again with that NYX HD Concealer in the shade 06.7. Excuse me. And I'm not gonna blend that out immediately. So I'm gonna let it sit. I'm just gonna let it sit. And then after that, we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick, but I use it to contour in the shade 412. The footage got deleted of me blending that out, but I do blend that out immediately. And I use the smaller flat top brush from that Rose Gold collection from BH Cosmetics It's the number 4 brush, and I use that to blend it out. And it blends out amazingly. It blends out so beautifully. Those foundation sticks do very well to blend out. However, that NYX concealer, when it comes to blending that out, I might have should have just went in immediately, because it sets and sits. When it sets, it sets. Like, so it ain't want to move. Like, girl, I had to bounce that Real Techniques makeup sponge on my face. I had to literally beat my face, sis. So baby, don't leave this on your face too long. It's a good concealer, don't get me wrong, but maybe blend it out immediately. Don't let it sit like I did. Okay. See, now I'm just going to use the Real Techniques small shading brush to blend out that nose contour real quick like, real quick like, see. Okay, so we're gonna set my contour now, and we're gonna set it with the It's My Red Wave First palette, the shade Brownie Bite, and then we're gonna go in and we're going to set our entire our face, our highlighted areas with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder in Banana. We're gonna reverse contour. We're gonna get those cheeks, excuse me, snatched up for the gourds, baby. We're gonna snatch them up for the gourds. Don't worry about that under the chin contour, anything that's not blended out, because trust, baby, just trust me, trust the process. It's gonna be snatched when we get done. Everything gonna be snatched. To bronze, I went in with the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. I think that got deleted, and that footage got deleted. But that's what I used to bronze, and I used the Brownie Bite to set the contour from the It's My Red Wave palette. Fair warning, because I went a little heavy in this video. That baby, that contour shade got some punch. It got some punch. Like, honey, if you go too heavy, you double tap your brush in there if you want to, you're gonna be looking a mess. Like, baby, lightly tap, you'll be just fine. Just fine. Now finally to the eyes, I'll be taking the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'll be taking the shade Terracotta with my number 5 blend brush out of the Rose Gold Beige Cosmetic brush, and taking that all over above my crease and down into my crease. Then with the number 6 brush from that same collection, I'll be taking the shade Brave and taking it all over my crease and blending it into the terracotta shade. And then with a shading brush from that collection, number 8, I'll be taking the shade Universal and taking it all over my lid. I do apologize for y'all not being able to see as I point to the shades, but they will be listed in the description box in the order that I placed them on my eyes. Now for highlight, I went into my Carli Bybel palette and I went into the third highlighter in the palette, and I took that all over the tops of my cheeks, on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin. I later went in and put it in my brow highlight. I put it in my tear duct, and I also put it on the top of my lips and my cupid's bow. Okay, so I went off camera and I applied a Baby Wing L'Oreal Infallible liner in the shade Blackest Black. And then I applied lashes from AliExpress. Nothing too major. Next, we're going to be taking NYX liner in dark brown. I'm going to be lining our lips with it. Then we're going to go on top of that with my baby, my favorite lipstick of all time, MAC Whirl. And we're going to be taking that and going all over our lips. And then we're going to be taking Dose of Colors, Bear With Me, and we're going to take that in the center of our lips, blend. And then, because we ain't done there, we're going to be taking MAC Lipglass in the shade Please Me. And we're going to go on top, really focusing it in the center. And we're going to blend. Because, you know, you need a gloss. You always need a gloss. Now I'm going to put my glasses on so you know it's going to get real. So I can see how I got it all blended. Make sure everything all blended and stuff. You know, make sure I got everything all right. All snatched. You know, you hear my baby in the background. Just let him do his thing. He think he can talk. He ain't made it that far yet, but don't tell him that. And stay tuned so you can see how I, you know, put the hair together, pull it all together, you know. Oh, I forgot to mention this, but I set my entire face with LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Powder in the shade Medium Beige. Sorry. But damn, girl. Look at that. Snatch, 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 snatch. All right. Let me stop. Just enjoy. Just enjoy. Okay, so this is the finished look right here. I just went and put on this blouse that I got from Amazon, and I put my wig on. I straightened my wig last night, and today I just put some mousse, some Tresemme mousse on the part, and I put some powder on the part to blend. This is the finished look. These lashes are from not Amazon. These lashes are from AliExpress. I really don't care for them. They're not my favorite, but they came in a pack. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is my everyday summer makeup. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.